Hello friends, let's do something different today. Let's learn how to impress others in our office, in a party, among our friends, or in a society. So I have come with some interesting idioms and phrases for you. So welcome to Eloquent English classes, and this is Jyoti. Let's get started. A close-fisted man. A close-fisted man means a great miser. Okay. Don't expect even a penny from him. He is a close-fisted man. Okay, you cannot expect anything from a miser, so you can use this. Curtain lecture. Curtain lecture means a rebuke by wife to a husband in privacy. Whenever a husband is scolded by his wife in privacy, we call it a curtain lecture. So you can use like this. Why do you look so upset today? Did you have a curtain lecture at home? Next one is a chicken-hearted person. Chicken-hearted person means cowardly person. Darpok. You don't expect him to fight for himself as he is a chicken-hearted person. The next one is a cry in wilderness. A cry in wilderness means a useless cry. Many workers were rendered jobless and they cried for help, but it was a cry in wilderness. Means nobody paid attention to their cries. It was a useless cry. So we can say it was a cry in wilderness. Next is to carry weight. To carry weight means to have force. Dam, baat mein dam hona. I'm sorry to say that your justification does not carry any weight. Okay. Next is to dance to one's tune. To carry orders. किसी के इशारों पर नाचना. A modern girl is not prepared to dance to the tune of her husband. See the uses. To decline with thanks. To decline with thanks means to refuse. They invited me to a party, but I declined it with thanks. To gain ground. To gain ground means to progress. Intolerance is gaining ground in our country day by day. Means it's increasing in our country day by day. Intolerance. Next is fed up. Fed up means ukta jana, tanga jana, to be tired of, to be sick of. We are fed up with the age-old superstitions prevailing in our society. To back the wrong horse. To back the wrong horse means to make a wrong choice. She has backed the wrong horse by giving her consent to marry him. Okay? That was the wrong choice, to marry him. Backbite. Backbite means denounce or to criticize somebody in his absence. Everyone should avoid backbiting. पीछे से चुगली करने की आदत अच्छी नहीं होती. Everyone should avoid it. Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather means people of the same sort. एक तरह के लोग. Birds of a same feather flock together. It's a very common saying. The birds of a same feather flock together. एक तरह की प्रवृत्ति के लोग एक साथ रहते हैं. Hard and fast rules. Hard and fast rule means very strict rules or principles. Our school has made some hard and fast rules for the students. Okay. To cut blocks with razor. To cut blocks with razor means to waste energy in useless things. A sensible person avoids cutting blocks with razor. See the uses. Cutthroat competitions, very common. Very tough competition. There is a cutthroat competition in every kind of examination, isn't it? So this is all for today, and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.